Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Face ID on iPhone. First, open your settings, scroll down, then you'll see Face ID and passcode. Tap on that, and then type in your passcode. In here you'll see under Face ID, use Face ID 4, all of the options are turned on or enabled. In order for you to turn off Face ID to all of this, you can just tap all of this to disable it, and also with the other apps that you have in here. Once you disabled all of this, then your Face ID will be turned off to your phone. And that's how to turn off Face ID to your iPhone. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.